Whether you're just trying to grow your X channel or you're actually making Twitter ads to try to grow your brand, I'm gonna break it down in this video, show you exactly which creatives we see working best. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links, and I've been working with over 50 different clients, helping them grow with X ads over the last 2 years. And this is what I do. I'm gonna teach you exactly how to set this up, do your X ads, and make sure you do the right creatives. Now, these creatives work well organically to help grow your profile, get more followers. They also work well in ads. And if you want the full X ad system so you can use it for your brand, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send that over. You ready? Let's dive in. So right here, I'm going to show you my X ads account and a few creatives that are doing really well for me. This one right here, where I'm showing a review, some stats and analytics, and then talking about what changed. So when you're going to X, you want to think about your ideal customer. They're on there either talking about the news, the politics, scrolling, learning, trying to be educated. They're not there trying to click on a link and buy something. X ad behavior is completely different than if you're doing Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. You're not dancing, you're not trying to get a sale, you're trying to educate, provide value. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm talking about a story, I've got a hook, and then I have education, and then a review. This one right here, I have something that automates your posting. This is the results, and this is how you can get it as well. Then you want to start figuring out ways to build relationships. This one is relationship based, talking about becoming a leader, showing a relatable image that has to do with the post, and breaking it down and providing help. Now, if you go and say my product is awesome, click this link and buy it, you're not going to get any results. You got to build relationships, you got to build value, you have to educate. Now, when you're thinking about posting organically, you want to make sure your images and your posts are not only relatable, relational, but also helping and providing value. So you can see right here, if you scroll down, my images will always relate to my post. My post is always helpful. I can actually turn any of these into an ad. I'm talking about a review, and this review and how we got to this point to get the success, then I'm using a relatable image. I'm talking about X ads here, talking about building better relationships, showing an image, but then actually giving you the tips. From there, you want to go through each one of these, whether it's a video, a picture, or a carousel, and you want to break down with the hook, the story, education, value, relatable image, or video. So right here, I have a hook. I'm going to talk about the before and after. I'm going to talk about the mistakes. I'm going to educate. I'm going to provide value. And then I have a relatable video that goes with it. Now, another one that works really well are carousels, but as long as you're being super blunt and to the point. So basically, I have a carousel slide that's saying these are the 4 best ads. This is the story ad that works best, starting with a relatable hook. This is a free cheat sheet ad that's working really well. Short educational video ad, just like I just showed you on the frame before this. And the carousel ad, which I'm showing you here. And then talking about building the network weekly, but I'm not trying to sell. So basically, I'm turning this carousel into an organic post, into an ad, and now I'm talking about it in a video, so in hopes that you take this and learn and use it on yourself. So when you're looking through your posts, are you selling or are you providing value? And if you look here, I'm talking about multiple things in this one. I'm talking about a brand. I'm making it relatable. I'm trying to provide value and helpful content. Then I go turn this into an ad. You can even run ads. These work best if you're talking about personal relationship style stuff. I'm talking about my day in the life, what I'm going through, and I'm showing my garage gym. That's what you want to do. You don't want to share AI photos. You don't want to share AI videos, and you don't want to just talk about all the things you've done. You want to make it about them, make it relatable, and make it valuable. This one did really well because it's a short 20-second video. That's another thing I see working really well, are short 10 to 30-second videos, giving value, educating, making it relatable. Anything over 30 seconds, you're not going to get somebody to stop, sit, and watch very long on X. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to start making some relatable X posts. If you do, and you have one that does well organically, come back to the ad platform and run ads to it. Don't try to get website clicks, try to get followers, and then they'll eventually DM you. Click on the link in the bio or ask for more information in the comments. And don't forget to comment system down below so somebody from my team can send you this X ad system. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribed and I have a full playlist breaking down how to set up X ads, get more visitors, get more leads and more customers. You can check out this playlist here. So I hope to see you on my next video.